Luca von Nicholas, do you belong up there? I think you need to come down. Come on. Come on, Lukey. Come down. Come see Mama. You don't belong up there, Luca von Nicholas. I know. What are you doing up there? Come on. Yeah? You know how to go down the slide. You did it the other day. Come on. Mama's not going out there. Yeah? If you don't like it up there, you should stop climbing the rock wall. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on. Come down. Come on. Hi, guys. I know. Your brother's in trouble. I know. Down, Lily Grace. Down, Lily. Down, Tuck Tuck. Come on, Luca. Come see Mama. Come on. Come on. Come, Luca. Come. Come on. Come on. You're just gonna have to go for it. Come on. Come, Luca. Come on down. Come, Lukey. Come on, come to Mama. Come on. Yeah, you shouldn't do that. Come on. Come, Luca. Come, Luca. Come to Mommy. Come. Come, Luca. Come on. Come on. Is it scary? Come on. Come, Luca. Come on. Come on down, Luca. Come on. Come on, baby. I know. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come see Mommy. You want a treat? Luca, do you want a treat? Luca, do you want a cookie? Come on. Come on, Mommy, get you one. Luca von Nicholas. I know. Come on. You gotta quit climbing the rock wall. Come on.